On this channel, I'll be teaching you the most easiest way, most fun way for you to learn Mandarin Chinese. Yeah, now, let's start learning. Buckle up.
Hello everyone, welcome to today's lesson. In today's lesson, I'll be teaching you insects in Chinese language. Now, let's start. An ant is called Ma Yi. Ma Yi. Ma Yi. A spider is called Ji Zhu. Ji Zhu. Ji Zhu. A cockroach is called Zhang Lang. Zhang Lang. Zhang Lang. A bee is called Mi Feng. Mi Feng. Mi Feng. A scorpion is called Xie Zi. Xie Zi. Xie Zi. Now, let's review them. Ma Yi, Ji Zhu, Zhang Lang, Mi Feng, Xie Zi. This is the end of today's lesson. Please remember to like, share, comment, and also to click the subscribe and notification button. See you next time. Goodbye.